These heat pumps are available worldwide in a wide selection of models and are manufactured in China by GRE. They feature I-Feel remote controls and many options for air filtration, as well as a refrigerant leakage detection system for enhanced reliability. The MIA New York series offers single-zone units for either 115-volt or 230-volt power for flexibility in installation. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance and are Wi-Fi compatible. The ES series offers premium multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor air handlers from a single outdoor unit. Their hyper models are available for single-zone or multi-zone, and the units are optimized for heating even when outdoor air temperatures are at -22°F. They are available on Amazon but require professional installation for warranty purposes, and their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.